everyone, my name is Emily. Today we have 3 stuff to do. So the first thing we're going to do is show you what we have to make Easter eggs. The second thing we're going to do is we're going to go to my summer house, and the hens are in my summer house, and we're going to get the eggs from them. After that, we are going to decorate them. So here we have colors and stuff to decorate them. Ooh, this is red. When the eggs are going to be red, they're going to be so dark. Oh, this is orange. It must be light. I don't know. It's going to be not bad. This is so light. So this is a yellow, like the sun. Then, oh, these are a bit like a girly's color, like a girl color, you know, like pink. This is a bit darker than this one. That's purple and violet. So here we have these colors. Oh look, here we don't have green and blue. There must be green and blue here. Yeah, it's showing. Let's take them out. This is so dark. Look at the reds. It looks like a pink. I'm not that sure the color. Look at the orange. It looks so cool. It looks like a lava light. Is there more? Oh look. Oh. These are gloves. So these are the instructions. So we have to cut these, cut them out. So we're gonna have to, what's that? Oil, I have a feeling? Put water and oil or vinegar, I'm not that sure. And then after take an egg, put it in, no. Yeah, vinegar and water and the color. And then put the egg. And then take it out. And then clean it with the gloves. That's it. That looks easy. These are so dark. Let's put them back in. So now let's take out this one. Oh my gosh. This is so shiny. Wait, is there something else? All of them has gloves. There's only one glove? Yep, there's only one glove. Let me show you how pretty these are. Look how beautiful and sparkly this is. This looks like the ocean maybe, or like it's so pretty. Oh gosh. So this, oh my gosh, this is so cool. Why is it black? Not exactly cool actually. It is a bit cool because where did they find the black? This was an orange. Yellow! Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Wait. Red, then green. Perfect. Like this, then sparkly ones. Oh, the glove. Just keep it out. It's okay. Is it open? Oh, no. Oh, are these sparkles? So nice. Let's put the glove inside. I have a feeling these are sparkles because it's showing that these are sparkles. To the glittery. all of them look a bit dark. Nice colors. Let's put them back quickly. Then I'm going to show you these nice decorations. Just wait for the last one. Ugh. These are a bit of examples. This one would be a bit like this one. And this one would be maybe like this one. Yeah, a bit like it. Ugh, what's this one doing here? Let's take this. This looks a bit odd. Okay, so we have these. Oh, we have more of these. Let's put them here. Let's put the green here. Let's put the yellow here. Let's put the purple here. The red here. And blue. No one. Just put it here. These are the notes. And here we have nice papers. Let's decorate them too. Let's put these back in. I don't exactly know how to use them. It's all written. But I don't read all of that, you know, now. So these are nice decorations. Like, look at this, how pretty. You can stick it on it, but yeah, when it's wet. So then when you stick it, just when it's almost dry. So now we're gonna go get the eggs. Follow me, guys. Now we are going to the summer house to pick up the eggs from the hens. Now, guys, you could come follow me and let's see if Charlotte is managing to find an egg. Let me just look at it. Oh, I found one. Look, a chicken just came out. Oh, yeah, the chicken just came out. Good job, guys. Now let's go collect the eggs. Yeah. You can see I changed everyone because these are my painting clothes. To color the beautiful eggs. Now we're putting the shiny red on the red. Oh. Now I'm putting the shiny red on the red egg. And we are doing this with tights, so then we can put it. And we have gloves, so then we don't dirty our hands. Can you see? Look at my glove, that's super dirty. That's why. Come on. Yeah. Easter, everyone! Let's have a look at the rabbits today. This one's Whitey and this one's Gingy. If you remember them, you could like and subscribe. This is what they drink from. They have 450 milliliters. Here's what they eat from. They eat grains. These grains. Look. These grains. And this is a bit like hay. Look, hay. Over here. This one's Charlotte, my sister's. Come, you wanna eat? This is mine. The white one's mine. She's a bit bigger than Charlotte's. Bye, everyone.